Hello, it's Mark Torch here from Markham 3D, and this is something that I've been working on, this helmet. I've printed off, I think there's about 20 parts that I've had to print off. I've glued it together and welded it together with plastic, kind of like TIG welding if you've ever done, but with plastic. So what I was using is a soldering iron and kind of melting the gaps in between. So probably once I hit 5,000 subscribers, I will give this away to someone and send it to anywhere in the world. So make sure you hit the like and subscribe button to keep you up to date with all my content and build my fan base, so that hopefully we do hit 5,000. I can give this away to someone. What else have I been working on? So the streams have been going really well that I've been showing off the game design. The VR game is coming along quite nicely. Now I've got the opportunity to actually do a build for the Quest, the Oculus Quest. So hopefully I can get the game onto the Quest store once it's done. It's looking pretty good. I know that once I go to the Quest, I might have to redo some of the shaders and so on, but whatevs. Mondays are still going well. The viewer counts are doing really good, which is good. They've picked up recently, and so is the subscriber count, so I want to thank you very much for that. Monday, Udemy course is doing well. Tuesdays, I've got quite a few good add-on reviews coming out, and a lot of default add-ons that come with Blender, but they're just not enabled. Wednesdays, hopefully we've got something really special for 3D printing. Thursdays, let me know how you feel about the vlogs here. Do you want them? Do you care? Let me know. Leave a comment down below. And Fridays is another Unreal tutorial coming up about the flip-flop node. And yeah, that's about it. Make sure you like and subscribe. Help me out. Try and get to those 5,000 subscribers. Share the videos around. Really helps me out. And let me know how this format is going. Do you like these 5 videos a week? Do you want me to focus on something specific? And if you want me something specific, please let me know. Until then, have a good week, and I'll see tomorrow's video, which is our Unreal Engine tutorial on the flip-flop node.